Name: Vijay Kumar S. Class/Seconds, IV/E School, Sri Vijay Vidyalaya Matric Higher Secondary School. Topic: Fridge time. Junk foods. Junk food is a slang word for foods with limited nutritional value, high in salt, sugar, fat or calories, and low nutrient content. Can be termed junk food. Junk foods. Junk food is an informal term applied to some foods that are perceived to have little or no nutritional value, containing empty calories, or to products with nutritional value but which also have ingredients considered unhealthy when regularly eaten, or to those considered unhealthy to consume at all. Junk foods. Junk foods are typically ready-to-eat convenience foods containing high levels of saturated fats, salt, or sugar, and little or no fruit, vegetables, or dietary fiber. Junk foods thus have little or no health benefits. Nutrition facts. Lack of energy. This is known as a short-term adverse effect resulting from eating junk foods. As junk foods don't provide you with essential nutrients, even though they can be very much sufficing, you feel weakened. Poor concentration. This is another result of junk food habit. These are traced to affect intermediate and medium-term periods. When you have a sumptuous junk meal rich in oil, you feel drowsy and fail to concentrate. Over sustained periods of junk food eating, blood circulation drops due to fat accumulation. Lack of vital oxygen, nutrients and proteins particularly can stale your brain cells temporarily. Heart diseases. Junk food diet is a major cause of heart diseases. Myocardial infarction, a severe heart failure, is due to plaque formation in arteries, which demands heart to put an extra effort to pump blood on the downstream. On the upstream, there is lack of returning blood to heart. This causes two damages to the heart. Heart fatigues by the continuous extra effort it makes and it suffers oxygen supply. The onset and remedy both take a long time and a great determination to win. High cholesterol. Apart from forming plaques and constricting arteries, cholesterol also affects liver where it is metabolized. High cholesterol from junk food and diet strains liver, damaging it eventually. This is a long-term effect. Harmful effects. Healthy foods. Health food is food considered to be beneficial to health in ways that go beyond a normal healthy diet required for human nutrition. Because there is no precise, authoritative definition from regulatory agencies such as the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, different dietary practices can be considered healthy depending on context. Diet. Unhealthy diets and physical inactivity are major risk factors for chronic diseases. Reports of international and national experts and reviews of the current scientific evidence recommend goals for nutrient intake in order to prevent chronic diseases. For diet, recommendations for populations and individuals should include the following. Achieve energy balance and a healthy weight. Limit energy intake from total fats and shift fat consumption away from saturated fats to unsaturated fats and towards the elimination of trans fatty acids. Healthy foods. Increase consumption of fruits and vegetables, and legumes, whole grains and nuts. Limit the intake of free sugars. Limit salt, sodium consumption from all sources and ensure that salt is iodized. These recommendations need to be considered when preparing national policies and dietary guidelines, taking into account the local situation. Improving dietary habits is a societal, not just an individual problem. Therefore, it demands a population-based, multi-sectoral, multidisciplinary, and culturally relevant approach. Healthy foods. Healthy foods. Healthy foods. 10 keys to a healthy diet. Eat a variety of nutrient-rich foods. Enjoy plenty of whole grains, fruits and vegetables. Maintain a healthy weight. Eat moderate portions. Eat regular meals. Reduce, don't eliminate certain foods. Balance your food choices over time. Know your diet pitfalls. Make changes gradually. Remember, foods are not good or bad. Select foods based on your total eating patterns, not whether any individual food is good or bad.